Good day, sir. I'm Charles M. Sermos from Group 3. Right now, I'm going to present this collage of social stratification in the Philippines, where refers to the division of people into different social classes. At the top is the upper class, represented by the elites, political dynasties, and top business families. They are shown with a symbol of wealth, such as formal attire, highlighting their power, influence, and access to opportunities. In the middle is the middle class, composed of professionals, OFWs, and small business owners. This class considered as the backbone of economy because they provide essential services and contribute to national growth through remittance and entrepreneurship. At the bottom is the lower class, made up of farmers, laborers, and marginalized group. They represent their hard work in manual labor and agriculture. Despite their important role in food production and labor, they often faces poverty, inequality, and lack of access to basic services. Overall, this collage how Philippine society is divided and how inequality still exists between these social classes. That's all. Thank you.